Page number 439, ready, start. Food Adulteration Act 1954, stop. On a perusal of record, I find that there is no material to warrant interference with the concurrent findings of the court below stop para. However, the contention is raised in this revision petition that there was a clear illegality on the part of the trial court in passing its judgment of conviction and also awarding sentence on the same day stop. According to learned counsel, some time lapse should have been there between the date of conviction and the date of awarding sentence stop. The contention is that after passing a judgment of conviction, the trial court should adjourn the matter for a few days so that the accused would get an opportunity to place on record such evidence as may be necessary for deciding the quantum of punishment stop paragraph. In support of this contention, reliance is placed upon the judgment of the Supreme Court in the Hyderabad Vanaspati Limited versus the State of Andhra Pradesh 1978 Criminal LJ 1824 and another versus State of Tamil Nadu 1989 within bracket 2 JT within bracket SC 184 stop. Neither of the cases helps the petitioner in this contention stop. The Supreme Court has only pointed out that the requirement under section 235 within bracket 2 of hearing the accused on the question of punishment is not a mere formality and it should be complied with by the courts full stop. Apart from that, the Supreme Court has not held anywhere that there should be a time gap between the date of conviction and the date of sentence stop paragraph. The Supreme Court had another occasion to consider section 235 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in so and so versus State of UP AIR 1991 SC 345 bracket start 1991 within bracket 1 All India Criminal Law Reporter 364 within bracket SC bracket close full stop. The contention was raised in that case for the first time in the course of arguments before the Supreme Court full stop. It was not raised in the High Court or at any stage prior to the stage of arguments before the Supreme Court stop. The court said that in the absence of the point having been raised earlier, it could not be allowed stop. While doing so, the court observed as follows stop paragraph. In addition to that, Mr. Dalveer Bhandari stated that the petitioner has not been prejudiced in any manner nor any prejudice to the petitioner by such a course has been shown now to this court and hence this argument cannot be countenanced stop. Having regard to the facts that this plea is raised only for the first time and that the trial court in fact has heard the petitioner on the question of sentence, but of course on the same day we hold that this submission made on behalf of the petitioner does not merit consideration stop.